This video is going to show you the steps on how you can easily transfer your Google Photos right to your laptop, your PC, or your Mac. It doesn't matter if you have a Windows 10, Windows 11 laptop or computer, or whether you have a Mac, the steps are basically the same for all three types of devices. But before we start with this video, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel for more similar tutorials like this one. The first thing which we're going to do is to open our web browser. It can be any browser of your choice, as long as you're logged in with your Google account from which you want to download or transfer those photos. Once we open our browser, go over to your URL bar and then type the following takeout.google.com and then hit enter on your keyboard. You're going to get to a page that looks like this, and this page will allow us to download a bunch of different things that are related to our Google account, like our contacts, bookmarks, emails, and many more things. But let's tap on Deselect All because we want to transfer the Google Photos only. So deselect all, then scroll all the way down until you see this Google Photos option. Check this, and you can then select the photo albums from your Google Photos library which you want to download or transfer to your laptop. You can select every single album, or you can select only specific ones that you need if you don't want to transfer your entire gallery. But once you select the format and the photo albums, then tap on Next Step, and now you can choose your file type and destination. Google is going to create a download link for you in a zip file, and you can select if you want them to send you a link via your email. They can add it to your Dropbox or OneDrive, and similar. For file type, just keep it as zip file. That's totally fine. For file size, I'm going to select 2 gigabytes because it makes the download process easier to manage. Once you've selected all of these options, go ahead and tap on Create Export at the bottom of the page. Now Google is going to start preparing all your photos for download. This process is going to take some time, depending on how many photos you have. It could be a few minutes, or it could be a few hours. So just be patient with it. Google will send you an email to let you know when everything is ready for download. When you receive that email, all you need to do is click on the download link inside the email, download those zip files to your computer, and then extract them by right-clicking on the files and selecting Extract All. Once you do that, all your Google Photos are going to be saved directly on your laptop or PC, and you can access them whenever you want. So that's everything you need to know about transferring your Google Photos to your computer. If this tutorial helped you out and you learned something new today, make sure you hit that like button down below because it really helps the channel grow. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe because I post tutorials like this all the time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.